Hey everyone, how's it going today? Thanks so much for joining us on another great set of home tours. Today you can see there's a body of water behind me. So where are we today? So we're out at Lake Las Vegas at a blue herring community called Shoreline. These are single family residents that are just really wow inside of me. There's some of the construction going on right there behind me, but so we're gonna get into those in just a second. Always, I thank you so much for watching these videos. Please like, subscribe, ask me any questions, engage, tell me what you like, what you don't like. If you'd like to learn more about how to buy and sell your house, get in touch with me. That's my cell phone number. I will answer it. I will respond to you. Or you can visit our website. I'm going to pop that below too. All my information's in the description of this video. And let's get to these homes, shall we? Thanks. All right. So all of these homes, no matter where they're built on the property, are going to be lake facing, which means the onus of the house, everything that is aesthetic, the big windows, the sliders, are all going to be lakeside. And street side, you're gonna have your 2-car garage entrance on all of them, as you can see just by these 2 models right here. And then they're all side entrance homes. So you're gonna have these little courtyards on the side of the house with some big window sets into a door, and you'll be right inside the house. So let's get inside these homes. All right, so this first floor plan that we're in is the LVAR. This ranges between 2,750 square feet to 3,659, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. Now, as this one is modeled, this is the 3,659. So it's pretty large. Throughout the house, you're gonna see a mixture of quartz, you're gonna see a lot of stonework, and you're gonna see some onyx. The cabinets in these homes are what's called foil wrap. So right here, this is like your kitchen, your main entertainment area of the house. You do have these 4-panel sliders right there. You can see the lake out there, of course. These are gonna slide all the way over, open up into 3 panels that are just all gonna stack right there in the corner. You are gonna see this, these strips throughout the house. It's called Vegas Modern, and you're gonna see some biophilic elements as well, where it's designed to bring the outside in and the inside out. So kind of redirects you with mirrors and windows and transparency. So you're kind of looking outside of the house and just getting a nice view. So home's very upgraded from the builder. But it's by design, of course, so beautiful house. So I'm gonna kind of hush up and just show you a bit more about this home, this kitchen. You can kind of see down there, it's even mirrored underneath that cabinet right there, or that center island. I do love these lines, love all the additional backlit. Here we got some appliances. These are Bosch inside this house, this particular one. More mirrors back here, gas burner cooktops. Quartz countertop right here, so kind of give you an idea. So pretty cool. You can put, I don't know if I'd call it a pool, but you ever heard of a spool? You can heat it or not heat it. This one just happens to have a hot tub. One of the models has like a spool, which is a little bit bigger than a normal hot tub. Pantry right off the side here. And that's just an HVAC closet behind there. So you can see the big old glass pivot door coming into the house. This one actually has sliders, so these 4 panels do slide open. Just open up that more indoor-outdoor living environment. Should play some background music here. You got this great ceiling with this big chandelier set coming down. Kind of gives it, some of these homes kind of have a New York like penthouse vibe, you know, with the high ceilings and some of the aesthetics throughout. So here's the washroom downstairs, little floating cabinet there, little trough sink. Super cool. That's how that looks. Neat mirrors, etc. Back over here, we have some outdoor in. So you can see we got some river rock, some plants down here, and you get a little bit of natural light coming out the top. Garage doors happen to be locked up, and these homes all come with elevators because they are 3 stories. So let's go upstairs. All right, we're up. So let's start taking a peek at some of these secondary bedrooms. So nice, decent size, high ceilings. Every room has its own walk-in closet. They are gonna be bare because that's how Blue Herring delivers them. It's up to you to put a closet in there. Love the window. Another secondary bedroom. This one's more like an ensuite because this one does have its own bathroom. It's also the bathroom that's shared with the other one, so the door is just kind of propped open. More traditional sink there. Hello. shower, bathroom, then it pops us out in the hallway. So the primary bedrooms are on the second floor, as is the laundry room. And this is going to be the primary. So let's just go right into the primary. So look at all that. Those things slide out to the left and right, kind of clamshell style. This is your only permanent window right here, does not open. Nice little deck, balcony. Checking out Lake Las Vegas. Got the golf course, on the other side. Some great mountain views. Little fireplace action. Little wet bar. Here we go. Here's some of that biophilic element. So these are mirrors, and if you're standing here not facing the lakeside, then now you can see the lake. Kind of brings the outside in, inside out. So pretty cool. All right, so let's hit this up. Here's the bathroom in this one. It's got 2 sinks, trough sinks, floating cabinets, lights underneath it. So here we go. Mirror, window, looking out again, right? Nice big walk-in shower. I like the brass. And here's the closet on this one. So it's just empty for now. All right, sorry, that's one of the closets. Here's the other closet. Since it is a model, they did build it out a little bit. All right, let's go up to the third deck, shall we? All right, pretty cool, huh? So it's actually a bedroom. It's a loft, it's an entertainment space. It's whatever you want it to be. It's got a big deck up top here. Pop outside, get a little better view of the lake, the surrounding area. There's a little village over there. It's a grocery store, restaurant, shopping. You can rent water sports, whatnot. Got a little wet bar outside here. Sink, fridge. Come back in. Little bar action over here. This is that onyx I was talking about, so it's really, really sharp. Got a bathroom, shower, toilet, good looking sinks. And a closet. So, decent sized closet. All right, well, hey, thanks so much for joining me on this tour. As always, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you like, don't like. That's my cell number, that's my website. Not only do we do home tours, our primary business is we help people buy and sell homes. You know, we help them meet their needs. So if you have any questions about how to do that, get in touch with us, visit our website, and we'd love to have a conversation with you. Hope you have a great day.